Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Begin by measuring the site and current conditions with a 25-foot tape measure. Record all dimensions in feet and note fixed elements like walls. Create a program list that names each required room and its function, for example, bedroom, kitchen, and study. Assign minimum room sizes such as 10 feet by 12 feet for a bedroom and 12 feet by 15 feet for a main living area. Establish circulation early and use a 3-5-foot corridor as a baseline for comfortable passage. Next, zone your plan by separating private areas from public areas to reduce noise. Locate bedrooms and studies away from high-traffic living zones for focused rest and work. Group wet areas such as kitchen and baths near shared plumbing to reduce construction cost and shorten pipe runs. Orient living and dining spaces toward the best view and sunlight, and choose a south orientation when site conditions allow for passive daylighting benefits. Finally, refine the layout by testing clearances and furniture arrangements in plan and elevation. Ensure kitchen work aisles are at least 36 inches and general circulation paths are about 30 inches minimum. Draw a scale plan at 1/4 inch equals 1 foot or use digital software to verify dimensions. Place representative furniture to confirm room function and adjust sizes until each space meets program needs. Iterate elevations and light.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.